Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade the tickets on Ticketmaster in 2026. So if you already bought the seats but you want better ones, closer, cheaper or with a better view, this updated method is going to show you what's actually possible. So first of all, you need to come here on ticketmaster.com. Over here, first of all, log in into your account if you haven't already. Now click on the option of my account, then click on the option of my tickets. Over here, once you are inside the my tickets option, simply select your event. Now look at the option that says upgrade tickets or exchange. If you see that option, simply tap on it. This means that the event organizer allows official ticket upgrades. You will now see the seat map which will be available, and then you just have to choose the new seats that you want. Now the Ticketmaster will show the price difference. You usually pay only the difference and not the full price again. So when you are done with the upgrade, simply confirm the exchange, pay the rest amount, and your old ticket will be replaced automatically. Now here is one important thing that you need to understand, that not all the events allow the upgrades. So if you don't see the upgrade or the exchange button, it means that the organizer disabled it. So if upgrade is not available, your only option is to sell your current tickets and buy new ones separately. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.